Okay, so we're now going into our next example, wherein we are specifically want to solve for an angle in a chord of a circle. So we have the formula here to find for the angle. So this is test 2b. So wherein your a is equal to 1/2 of your x plus y. So this is actually the circle and the chords of the circle. So when we say a chord is a line segment that connects any point at the circumference of a circle. Okay, so these are the points and it is connected with a line. Now, when two chords intersect, it forms actually a angle. So this one. Now, we call this one as vertical angle. So this angle A and this angle here are vertical angles, wherein these angles are equal. So for example, if your A here is 80, so this angle is also 80. Now, the other two angles are also vertical. Now, to solve for this angle, for example, 80 siya dere. So, since vertical man siya, so imo lang i-subtract ang 180 by 80. So, you get here as 100. So, this angle here is 100. This angle here is also 100. So, you total them, it is equal to 360 degrees. So, a short lang trivia. Now, to find for the angle A inside, okay, this angle here is just equal to 1/2 of the angle of your x and the y. So, if you add the angle of x and your y divided by 2 or you multiply 1/2, that is how to find the angle A here inside. So, you can find an example, this one, in our My Learning Body. Now, talking about this kind of example, because this is in our examination, just like this one, okay? So, now, to solve for this kind of example, remember that your A is actually an angle inside the circle. Now, these are your other angles. Now, the question here is how to find for the value of your A. What is the angle of this one? So, to find for that angle, again, we need to find by using our formula, 1/2 of your x plus y. Okay, nahihugaw. Now, remember that your A here in our formula is actually the angle inside. So, we already have the value of that certain angle. Remember that these angles should be aligned. Okay? So, kung kanina angle diri ang gigiven, so kailangan pangitaon nimo diri ang angle para aligned siya. So, kailangan na siya alignment. Now, remember that your A is an angle inside the circle in the chord. So, therefore, your A here is 73. Okay? Then, copy 1/2. And your x is the smaller one, so you get 51. Okay, plus your A. That A here should be this one. Okay? So, at this point, para makuha nato, so you have simplify 73 is equal to 1/2 times 51 plus A. Okay. Now, at this point, to solve for this one, remember that you cannot actually multiply or divide directly if ever you have a variable. So, ang technique na to, ana, we multiply both sides by 2 para makancel na to ang 1/2. Okay? So, therefore, 2 times 73 is you get 146 equals 2 times 1/2 you get 1. So, therefore, ang mabilin kay 51 plus A. So, akong balikon, so if ever you have 73 is equal to 1/2 times 51 plus A. Now, kung imong i-simplify man gud ang 1/2 times 51, 1/2 times A, no, distributive nimo, murag lisod na kaayo nato i-simplify kay grabe na ka lisod ang 1/2 of A. So, para ang technique na to, ana, para dili ka maglisod, imo lang i-multiply both sides by 2. Nganong 2 man? Because if you multiply 2 and 1/2, that is equal to 1. That is what you call a multiplicative inverse, wherein the product will always be equal to 1. So again, 2 times 73, you get 146. 2 times 1 half, you get 1. So wala na ko isuot ang 1. Automatic na siya. Then, automatic, i-copy lang ang 51 plus A. Now, atong goal is to find your A. So therefore, ato lang i-transpose ang 51. So, positive 51, may mo siyang negative 51 is equal to A. So, sinsya kayo ang camera kay blurred. So, 146 minus 51, you get 95 is equal to A. So, pwede ra balihon, A is equal to 95. So, that is the value of your A. Okay, so, again, balikan lang yun ninyo, no? Kuhanan lang yun ninyo para masabtan. Okay, thank you so much. God bless.